Hello and welcome to Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to pot up some strawberry runners into new pots. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of...
I'm using some bobby pins to hold my runners into the little pots that I've made. Just plain old compost in little pots and stretching out the bobby pin and pinning them in, just like that. Here I'm going to do it to the rest of the strawberry patch so that I have some more runners for next year to replace the slowing down older plants, and they make fantastic gifts for other people. I'm going to do this for the whole entire pot. I'm going to keep them attached to the mother plant until they have an established root system, and then I'll store them over winter as bare root plants to plant out in the spring. Thanks for watching!